Gear up for the ride. Embark on a feast of engine roar. The world inside the helmet is eerily quiet. No motorcycle engine sound is heard. BH65 Bluetooth communication kit delivers your sound feast. Compact design, freedom to ride. Peel, stick, effortless. Align the buckle, push down, install as you desire. Press the middle buckle, push up, detach instantly. Peel, stick, snap, Bluetooth headset ready. Route the mic through the helmet, plug in ready to go. BH65 Bluetooth kit, installation complete. Feel the roar of your beloved bike. This is the feeling.
Nice.
Step into the helmet, listen the roar. Connect to your phone, listen music with joy. Full gear, full joy, time to ride.